Here's a recent success story I wanted to share with you. So I recently saw a 96-year-old lady who had terrible, debilitating hip arthritis. It was so bad that she was actually wheelchair bound. She had been told for many, many years she couldn't have surgery or was too old for surgery. So after a very long discussion with the patient and her family, we were able to devise a very safe plan for her to undergo a total hip arthroplasty. And I actually recently saw her at the 3.5-month mark. She came in carrying her walker, was so excited she wanted to show off that she was doing so well. So it's certainly cases like that, stories like that, that really is why I became a surgeon and why I love my job so much. Hi everyone, thanks again for tuning into Season 2 of the Morwood Minute. If you would like to schedule a consult, please feel free to reach out to the office. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another episode of the Morwood Minute. Have any more questions for me? Please feel free to leave a comment below to have your question answered in a future season of the Morwood Minute. Thanks again.